Hello everyone, welcome to my super messy closet. In today's video, I'm going to do a closet clean out. As you can see, my closet is very messy at the moment. I need to do a clean out, so I thought it would be fun not only doing it, but also to film it. I'm also going to try clothes on just to see if they still fit and if they still look good. And the one that I'm not liking anymore, I'm just going to donate them. Not going to throw them away, of course. So as you can see, I have a few blazers and also like this is a winter jacket, so I'm going to take this down first. And also on the other side I have many cardigans and sweaters that of course I don't need them anymore. I kept them because right now the weather is a bit crazy, but not as crazy as like using this one, you know. Of course we all have that chair with many clothes on. It's not that bad right now, so yeah, lucky me. And also I have some clothes here. I do keep my clothes a little bit all over the place, but with this video we're going to change that. First of all, I am taking out the things that I'm not going to be able to wear. Here I have all the other sweaters. These kind of blazers, I'm not going to wear them in summer, but I feel like I'm not going to put them away. I'm just going to put them up there. And also, I have this blazer right here that I bought at Target. It has it, and you can see that I'm avoiding my first video that I'm going to do. I have more winter clothes than summer clothes. Now I took away all the winter clothes in another room, as I said, and it's time to try on summer clothes. And first I'm going to put all of them on my bed, then I'm going to try them and put them back in the closet. This is my closet now. Pretty sad. Okay, so now it's time to take out all the summer clothes. As you can see, I don't have too many summer clothes, and that's because I did a major closet clean out last year and I donated most of my summer clothes, so now I don't have many. Now what I'm going to do is to take all of them out and we are going to try them on. Let's see how they fit, and yeah, the one that we like, we're just going to put them back. I'm going to take this down. So first thing first, I'm going to try on my skirt. This is one of my new purchases, so I'm going to keep it. It also have pockets, so yeah, how adorable. The next one is this very simple black satin skirt. It's not my favorite skirt. I don't know, I don't feel bad about this one. Very simple and yeah, I like it. I think that when I look at this skirt, I think of summer. Yeah, it's a very summery skirt, and so yeah, I also really like this one. So this is another skirt that I thrifted a few years ago, back when I was in Helsinki. I love the color of this one. It's not really my style, to be honest, but when I saw it, I really fell in love with it. It feels a bit too tight in this area right here, but I feel like also, especially with this top, it gives such a cute vibe. Actually better than expected, so yeah, I'm going to keep it a bit tight, yeah, but still, like the color, it's just way too beautiful. Okay, so this is a very old skirt. I think that I bought it when I was like 15 years old. And as you can see, it fits a bit tight. It's time to let this skirt go. I don't feel comfortable in it. It's very tight and yeah, it's just unknown. It's actually one of the skirts that I wear the most. Super simple, black, long, very nice, and you can wear it with whatever. So yeah. This is also another very old skirt. It's been here since I'm not like wearing this one, and yeah, I'm done. I don't think that I'm going to start now. So yeah, I'm just going to donate it. So about this one, yeah, I think that I'm just going to get rid of it because I feel like it's not bad, but I don't think it's that good. So yeah, it's a new purchase. I really love this one. It's very comfortable. It also have pockets, which we love. This one, it came also with a belt. So, and this is it with the belt. I feel like it gives something more to it. Yeah, I really love this one. Okay, so now that I'm done the skirts, I'm just going to put them in the closet. Okay, so it is the next day. Yesterday I showed you my skirts. Now we are going to look at all my shirts. This means shirts with long sleeves, shirt sleeve, no sleeves, all of them. So it's going to take a while. So yeah, let's start. I'm going to try them very quickly since I have a lot of them, and yeah, I think that nobody wants this video to be an hour long, so yeah, we're going to do it very quickly. Okay, so the first one that I'm showing you is this one that I use this all time to film. This is a very simple top from Mango, a nice texture and a very nice cut. So yeah, of course this one I'm going to keep. This is another top that I bought from Zara a few years ago. It's still in very good condition and I still really like it, and also it's perfect for the office. This one is one of my favorite outfits to go to work. I recently bought it, so I'm going to keep this one, and yeah, I think that I'm going to use it for a few more years. I bought this one quite recently. I really love the color. It's not the most comfortable body. I think that I'm going to give this one a try. Okay, so this t-shirt, I couldn't wear it in my everyday life. I think that this t-shirt is perfect for work. This one, I bought this one a few years ago, but I think that it's still in very good conditions. I love the color, I love the cut, I love the sleeves, they're very cute. Yeah, this one is definitely a kit. So about this top, I don't know. I have mixed feeling about this one. The thing is that I don't know with what I could wear it. Maybe with a skirt, but like I kind of like it right now. So yeah, I think that I'm also going to keep this one. I absolutely love this t-shirt. I love the color. I love this cut, and yeah, this is definitely a keep. So this is a super simple black top and it's always useful. Okay, so this one could be a no for me, but I think that it's one of those things that you don't really like, but it's good as a office outfit. So yeah, I think that I'm going to keep it. So this one is no, I don't like it anymore. I'm not sure about this one. I really like these things, but overall I think that with time it got a bit ruined because I bought it like quite a few years ago. But I think like it's a good t-shirt if you don't know what to wear. I think it can be used again a few more times. So this one seemed like a very boring body, but in reality it has a beautiful surprise on the back. Yeah, I bought this one very recently and I love this one. This one not for a specific reason, but I don't like it anymore. I don't think that is a top that I will wear. It will stay in the back of my closet, so it doesn't make much sense to keep it. This one is a no, I don't like it anymore. It's just too short and I don't wear such short tops anymore. They are not my style anymore, so this is a no. I bought this one so many years ago and I still have it. When I first bought it, I didn't use it so much because I didn't know with what kind of bra I could use it. Now that I have one that is perfect for this kind of top, I can use it finally. I don't like this one very much. But still I think that it would be perfect to pair it with a very simple skirt. So yeah, I'm going to keep it for now. So I'm not going to keep this one and this one, nor this one. So I use this one quite often at work, so I'm going to keep this one. So about this t-shirt, I really like the shape of it. The fabric is not so light, so it's not the perfect t-shirt for summer. Yeah, but I do like it, so I'm going to keep this one. I really like this one right here. I didn't use it as often as I should have because the cut is a bit deep. I'm not the most comfortable in it, but it's a very beautiful body. I really like this body, especially the colors are super nice and perfect for summer. Yeah, I really like to pair this body usually with jeans. It makes like a very nice outfit. This is definitely a no, a weird cut, and also it's way too long for me. It makes no sense. Okay, so this one is such an old piece. So like the fabric is it's losing color, it's not good. But yeah, this one needs to go. It's such in bad condition, so I can't keep it anymore. So this one is a yes, very simple black t-shirt, always useful. This one is also a yes, I use it mostly at work. So this is the last body that I own. I really like the cut. I feel like you can pair it with jeans, any type of skirt, so yeah, it's really wearable. And the last piece that I'm going to show you before going to the dresses is this super classic white t-shirt from COS. It has such a nice cut, one of my favorites. And now let's go to the dresses. So high, so high, so high. This one just doesn't fit, it doesn't look good at all, so no, it's a no for me. Okay, so I feel like this one is still cute, a little bit too short for what I prefer right now, but I feel like it still looks cute, the fabric is still in good conditions, so yeah, I'm going to keep it. When I was hurt So yeah, finally it's over. I feel like it took forever, and now it's time to put everything back in the closet. Okay, now it's time to put all of this back in the closet. I don't want to see this anymore, so I'm going to put this back in there. And yeah, and we are going to end this video. Okay, let's go, we can do this. But to do this, I need my glasses because I can see shit. Okay, now that I have my glasses on, we can do this. So, what we're going to do, there I'm going to put all my t-shirt, body, all this kind of stuff. I'm going to order them per color. And on this side, I'm going to put the dresses and the skirts that I've already put here yesterday, and also those kind of t-shirt that need to be in these things that right now I don't remember the name. I'm too tired. I'm just too tired, please excuse me. Okay, so here I'm going to put the black ones, here the white ones, and here all the other colors. Okay, we are almost done. But yeah, luckily putting things back, it wasn't that hard. Didn't take such a long time. Okay, I think that I'm done. I'm quite proud of myself. I'm going to show you very quickly. So here are a few dresses. Here are the shirts. Here are the skirt and the pants. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye!